the basic slosh warm-up routine, starting to the left, left to the side, step together, left to the side, and flick up the right. Continue to your right, step together, and step to the right, flick up the left. Once more to the left, and step together, and step, flick up the right. We are now turning a quarter turn to the right, and step on your right, 1, step on your left, 2, step on your right, 3, followed by 3 flicks, starting on the left first, left up, put it down, flick right, put it down, flick left, and put it down.